everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Krystal. Today I'll be doing a get ready with me video. I feel like I haven't done that in a while and I love doing it. I love getting casual with you guys and updating you guys on my life and also giving you some useful tips. Today is officially my second day of school. I was gonna film it yesterday, but it was a bit too hectic because it was my first day, so I just decided to do it today. And I already have a light makeup on. These days I prefer to do it like a no makeup style because I don't know, these days I feel like I want to undo things instead of overdoing things, so that's why I'm gonna skip that part today and just go straight into hair care / hairstyling. So my hair is completely unstyled right now, but as you can see, it's in a pretty good condition. It's really shiny. There's no knots, but since I have naturally wavy hair, it still needs some styling. So I'm going to be styling just with my straightener today, and I do have a layered hair. Sometimes people ask me what kind of haircut I have. You guys really liked my layered hair styling using a straightener. That video was really popular, so I decided to show you guys some similar but different styling using a straightener. Yes, but before that, I really tried to do some good hair care last night so that my hair can get lots of nutrition overnight and then ready to be styled in the morning. So let's wind back to last night, do some hair care, and come back to do the styling. Recently, I felt that my hair was getting drier and more damaged, so I reached out to the brand called Coco & Eve to ask to try their new hair mask. In the past, I've used their mask and had a huge immediate improvement in my hair condition, and I haven't found anything else more effective yet. So this is not really an ad, but I just receive a small commission when you guys make purchase through my affiliate link, which I will paste down below. So this is a sweet repair mask, which uses the best ingredients of nature, and I can really tell they invest in their ingredients because the shine and moisture last really long. It has a really sweet smell, which reminds me of vanilla, and the texture is just like a regular conditioner or hair treatment. They are also vegan and cruelty-free, so you can really tell how ethical and caring of a brand they are. I scooped out a good amount and evenly distributed it on my hair except the roots. My hair is layered, so I did come up all the way to the middle to make sure all tips of my hair are massaged. I'm not kidding, my hair feels extremely soft. I feel like I haven't washed off my mask yet. It's that soft. I'll dry my hair and show you guys what it looks like. As someone who has naturally wavy hair, this is a lot of improvement. It's very shiny, as you can see, and the texture is just so soft. My hand just goes through the hair without any knots. I'm gonna go to bed like this. See you tomorrow. Okay, so here I am the next morning with shiny hair. I'm gonna start by dividing my hair into two sections like this, and then start from the back and do a C curl. This is gonna be a CS curl, so C curl mixed with some S curls in the front. I won't really be explaining in detail, so if you guys want to see how to do the C curl hairstyle, please refer back to my old video. I don't know if you all are back to school or are about to go back to school, or if you're not a student, if you had a good summer. My summer went by pretty fast. I traveled to lots of different places. I met my mom. I continued working as a research assistant over summer, so I still had some work to do. But because I'm an international student living in Chicago, a lot of people, a lot of students were away. So yeah, a lot of the times I feel like I was alone, but I still did have some company here, so it wasn't too bad. One thing that I started recently is working out. I really felt like I need to work out. There's a YouTube channel that I really like for working out. It's called Big Sis. Her channel's Korean, but it's just an exercise, so you don't really need to understand everything that she says, but yeah, she has her like 50-day or like 100-day type of training, so I'm like following one each day, and I think I'm on like the 13th now. And I bought like mini dumbbells, like 5-pound dumbbells to work out at home. I feel like it's made me healthier, and my body also looks a little different, or at least it looks different to me. Yeah, and about the school, if you guys are new to my channel, you probably don't know, but I'm not an undergrad student. I'm a PhD student, and this is my 2nd year, so I still have courses to take. Like, that's why I'm getting ready right now. But I don't know, I feel like I'm not that nervous. I think when I was an undergrad, I used to get more excited. Not particularly about studying, but about meeting new people. And I've also been thinking a lot about my YouTube. I'm not sure what to upload. I mean, I do have lots of ideas in my head, but it's like hard to know what you guys like. Oh, it's hot. I don't know, like my vlogs don't get that many views, and my hair videos always get lots of views. I want to do more on like skincare and anti-aging. Like recently I got really into anti-aging, so that's why I've been doing like anti-aging exercises, and I still have more to show you guys. For example, like neck stretch for like neck wrinkles, and maybe like for your smile line, like lifting it and other stuff like that. I'm also preparing for a skincare collaboration with some Korean brand. They have a variety of skincare items, so I'm testing all of them currently, so I'll share that with you guys maybe within a month. If you guys have any ideas or requests, please leave in the comments so that I can like look at it and see if I can make a video out of them. Yeah, I don't know, I have so many thoughts in my head all the time, but then I don't know what you guys like, what you need, and you know, like if I put in like time and effort to make and edit the video and then get like really low views, then I kind of feel bad. I do have affection for my channel and like my audience, like you guys, so I would like to keep posting stuff even if I can't do it regularly. You know, I don't tell people here that I have a YouTube channel. I'm still so shy, like I don't know, I don't feel confident enough, and I feel like they're gonna judge me hard and watch so many of my videos and like make fun of me. I'm gonna add some S-curls in the front, and I'm not gonna do it all throughout my hair, because if your front looks good, then your whole hair looks good. So it's like a trick. Like if you don't have time, or like if you don't want to do your entire hair, then like do some pieces in the front and then make it look like you did your entire hair. So I'm holding my hair with my right hand and the straightener with my left hand, and then I'm gonna start from the top, turn it once, turn it twice, release. And if you want to fix it, you can always go back and like fix it here, fix it down here. Yeah, I usually do like 2 turns for my hair length, but it depends on your preference. I'm gonna take another piece, this one, clip, turn, sort of like this, and then I'm gonna do the last piece. Something like this. I'll give a little volume to here. This. I'll also do my side bangs. Okay, so I'm gonna do this hair now. Clip, turn it once, twice. So I have light waves here and there. Yeah, so okay, let's try to give volume to this side, not this side. So I'm gonna take this top layer, move it to the other side temporarily, and then I'm gonna take the hair that's laying flat down here, and then like really move it to the right, so that we have volume here. And then we bring back the hair from the other side and we have more volume here. Now let's just do the side bangs. Clip it, turn it to the right, but as I do it, I like angle it instead of like curling like this, because we want that kind of like wavy shape. I'm going to finish styling with my BioSilk Silk Therapy Hair Essence. I've almost used it up. And for lips, I'm gonna do Vegas Fold from MAC. So that's all. Now I'm gonna go to my class. I'm kind of excited for it. I hope you all have a great day or night, and I hope you enjoyed watching my video.